Hello, welcome to New Crypto Coin. Bringing you this live. Guys, subscribe to our channel, newcryptocoin.com, on Twitter. Also, subscribe to us on YouTube, New Crypto Coin. I just want to let you guys know Bitcoin is going through a correction right now. It's down 17% today. We're under $8,000 for the first time since November 17th, I believe. We're at 7,000. We were at $7,772 on November 19th. Today, on February 2nd, a month and a half later, we have touched back at that point. We're now at $7,856. So after the explosive growth of December, where we went up to a full almost 20K for Bitcoin December 17th, from November 17th, in 1 month. From November 17th, Bitcoin was guys, subscribe to our channel, New Crypto Coin. November 17th, Bitcoin was $7,500. November 19th, Bitcoin had reached 19.8K. So Bitcoin really doubled really fast, almost quadrupled. Almost tripled. It went from 7,000 to 19K in 1 month. So there was bound to be a correction. Usually get a correction of about 40-50% when something like that happens violently fast, and that's what happened. We're violently going back down from that peak on December 17th of 19K. We're going back down violently, and we're all the way down to about 7,800. So what to do? This is a correction. These things happen. We could be headed down even further. We could be headed down to maybe 6,000 or 5,000. But you have to take the long view. If you look at the year view, Bitcoin started last year at around $1,000, and now it's 7,800. So if you take the year view, Bitcoin's still up 8 times. So in investing, sometimes you have to take the long view. Even if you take the monthly view, we were at 17,000. Now we're at 7,000. It is a huge correction, but if you look at this history, Bitcoin has declined 54% over the past month and a half, the longest and largest correction since the 85% decline from 2013 to 2015. But here's the thing about it. It has declined in 2017. It declined several times, and each time it bounced back to a new high within 60 days. Within 60 days, we were back to a new high in 2017. Each time there was a correction. Here you can see 310 to 27. In March, we went through a 14-day correction, 33% decline. We bounced back to a new high in 48 days. In June, July, we had a 35-day correction, 39% decline, jumped back to a new high in 55 days. In September, there was a 13-day decline, 41% decline. Bitcoin jumped back to a new high in 40 days. In November, there was a 4-day decline, 30% decline. Bitcoin jumped to a new high in 8 days. This has been about a decline for a month and a half. And Bitcoin, we don't know when it's going to jump to a new high. But we know that Bitcoin's history has been to jump to a new high fairly quickly after a correction. So it's going to be interesting to see how long it takes for Bitcoin to jump to a new high. But we believe that Bitcoin will jump to a new high. And this is why. Because people are still buying Bitcoin. With some $700 of the current price on all exchanges combined, there are 30,000 BTC in the order books to be bought and 5,000 to be sold. Interpret it as you will, believe what you want, but remember, when you panic sell, you always lose. Guys, always remember, when you panic sell, you always lose. You want to hold your Bitcoin right now. And what's amazing about this is 30,000 in BTC to be bought, 5,000 to be sold. People are going to buy Bitcoin. It's in the infrastructure. Coinbase isn't going anywhere. Bitcoin ATMs isn't going anywhere. Bitcoin futures on NASDAQ isn't going anywhere. Bitcoin's not going anywhere. It's going to be here. So digital currency is going to be here. So what you should do when there's a market correction, you should look for deals. What coins to buy? Where are your deals so you can be ready for the next Bitcoin high? I think right now, guys, this is the time to really buy NEO. NEO's below $100. It's $92. Really a great time to get into NEO. Great project, solid project. I think NEO is a steal at $92. Just watch NEO. If it goes a little lower, get in. Set your stops. Try to get in measured. Scale into NEO. I think EOS at 708. Great project. I think it's awesome at 708 to get into. Monero at 186 per share is a good one to get into. This is one of the highest coins of that. Whaleblocks has now changed to Nano. It's $12.95. It had hit $35 last 2 or 3 weeks ago. VinChain, $367. Great project. Research these projects, guys. Icon was the hottest thing in January. Went up to like $12, and now it's back to $3. Great opportunity to get in. BNB coin, $7.36. Another one that was, went up high in January. There's some great buys. ZRX, $1.06. That's a great one to get into. They're seeing some awesome buys. Walden, $17 for Walden. Walden had got to $40 earlier this month. Walden is a great project. Chinese mobile partnership. Another one I would look at hard right now if I was looking to get into something. Loop Ring, 61 cents. I would look at that. That's another one to get into. Dragon Chain, $1.24 per share. Dragon Chain also has ICOs coming out and partnerships coming out as well. Nebulous, 708, another great project. Pillar, 104. Lots of great projects out here to get into that are on sale right now. But guys, stick to your fundamentals. Good projects will bounce back. So stick to your fundamentals and look at the projects that have the most potential to bounce back. But yeah, this is a correction. It's a long correction. It's something that we've been through before according to this major corrections chart of Bitcoin. But yeah, Bitcoin has been through this before. So let's hold on. And we know that Bitcoin, as it tends to do, the pattern is to jump back to a new high. In the last year, it jumped back to a new high within 60 days. I don't know if we're going to see that this time, but I do know that was the pattern. But before that, there was another period where Bitcoin went dormant for more than 60 days. It was like 1,000 days to get to a new high. But most of the time, it seems like it bounces back pretty fast. And in the majority of the cases, it seems like Bitcoin within 60 days or 60 to 90 days, which is a new high. So yeah, so guys, my advice now would be to look for bargains. Scale into trades, set your stops, because we are watching a falling market or bear market, so set your stops, but scale into trades if you can, a little here, a little there. Find bargains in the top 100 and that have potential to bounce back. There's a lot out there. Guys, thank you for watching New Crypto Coin. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe to our channel, New Crypto Coin. Please follow us on YouTube and Twitter. Thank you, guys.